Alright, y'all, in this video, I'm going to show y'all how to do these mini box braids with the curly ends. Look at it giving. And this is honestly like day 6, day whatever. Still giving body. Yeah.
I get so weak in the knees, I can hardly speak. I lose all control, and something takes over me in the days, and it's so amazing, it's not a phase.
Alright, so we're going to start off. I didn't wash my hair. This is on old hair, y'all. But you can wash your hair, you cannot. And we're going to part it. I'm going to part it in half, right behind my ear, ear to ear. It's going to take me a little minute to get it right, but I only got one mirror at work, y'all, so I had to do what I had to do. Okay? Don't judge me. Judge yourself. But I still got the job done. Okay? So, here we go. Y'all see me trying to, get the little flyaways together. Obviously, I still had a little bit of product in my hair, but I'm going to take that out. It don't matter. My hair is not that dirty. I've literally kept it in a bun for a week. And I wasn't going to rewash it. Like, no. We're going to stretch this, obviously. Yeah. So, y'all see me parting. Come on, parting. Now we're going to put it in a bun. We're going to work on a back, baby. Look at my little bun. Yeah. Hey, bun. You see me noticing it? Obviously, I had to get it off of camera. Now we're going to part in the back. We're going to start with that bottom row. And like I said, I only got one mirror, so I can't see that's the back, what it's giving. But I've been doing my hair for a minute now, so it's probably going to give as much as a straight line can give when you can't see it. Oh, well. So we're going to start braiding. This is a braid, so you're going to need 3 pieces. Section it into 3 pieces, and then literally lap one over the other. Right over left hand, right over left hand, or if you're lefty, left over right. Whatever way you feel it, just let it go. Let it flow and continue to go down. So, yeah, I'm going to braid this all the way down to the, well, not all the way to the end, because like I said, I want my ends curly. So, I'm just going to braid down. And as y'all can see, I was so focused on here. And mind y'all, I was doing my hair at work. So, if y'all see my facial expressions or whatever, like, obviously I was gymming, I was hearing something on TV, or my client was listening to some music that I clearly liked. So, what did I do? Gym, obviously, because, what? I need to, keep my mind busy. So, look at me going in. Come on, yeah. Get to it. Now, like I said, I'm leaving the ends curly. So, yes, y'all gonna see it's gonna be braided and then the ends gonna be fluffy. Don't matter, just leave it. Because the end of this video gonna show you how to curl it. And if y'all do not know how to braid, please let me know. I will do a better and more detailed tutorial and a closer up so you guys can see how to braid. But if you know how to braid, then you know what I'm doing. Look, I left the ends as is, like I said, because we're gonna curl it. Now, this is me showing you the back of my hair. And like I said, the parts are as straight as it can be when I don't know what it looks like in a bag. So, we made it work. So, now we're doing the middle part. And I know I'm not the only one that struggles with the middle part, baby. Like, look, y'all gonna see me do this a few times. Because I'm gonna get it as straight and in the middle as I possibly can. But it does take some time. Like, this is an art within itself. This is like legit drawing a circle. A perfect circle. Like, a middle part is as intense as drawing a middle circle. But I pre-parted just because, like I said, I wasn't trying to stay in this mirror all day. So I pre-parted so I know where I need to go. And then literally, let's get down to this side. And I'm going to show y'all how to braid the front. I'm going to part it into 2 pieces. Here we go. And like I said, I'm probably going to, I'm going to fix that because it's not giving. My face tells everything, yo. But it's a Virgo in me, y'all. I'm such a perfectionist. I really be trying my best to, like, literally let things flow and let it go. Make sure y'all comb your hair out, get all them tangles. I didn't use any product for this braids because, like I said, my hair was already washed like a week ago. So I oiled my scalp at the next time. And then literally, so at the end of this video, I am going to oil my scalp. I am going to do my ends. I want to say I did my oiling my scalp though off the camera. But y'all know how to oil y'all scalp. And if y'all don't, please let me know and I can show y'all. But I think my client is in the bathroom at me at this point. And when I say shorty was violating, but I'm going to let her slide. Thankfully, I did this voiceover because, baby, if y'all can really hear the sounds, I'm going to just keep it to myself because that's her business, and I ain't going to tell her business. But y'all see, braid down. We're going to do the same thing like we did in the back. We're going to braid down to your desired end. How much ends you want left or how much curl you want to your braid is up to you. I just literally wanted the ends curly, so I didn't leave much hair. So we braiding it. Yep. Speed it up because, again. And again, you know when you braiding, your hair can get a little tangled. Please make sure y'all are getting the tangles out. Cause literally I'm talking to my client. She was violating. So I had to ask her, like, you really gonna violate while I'm on the camera? But she ain't care. She ain't care. They don't care. They don't take me serious here at work. But y'all see me going to town. Look at this braid. It's coming together. And you just gonna keep braiding down. Do not get discouraged if you do not know how to braid. It's the same method for twisting if you want your ends curly as well. So, but I think with twisting, you should definitely use product. Because it just gives it more of a hold. It gives it more of a bounce. It gives it more of a fluff. That wasn't my desired look for this one. I wanted my braids to be mini. And I wanted my ends. Oh, jam time. Yeah, because I had to take care of my client. Clearly. Go. Oh, yeah. All right, half the head is done. At this point, I'm on the phone with Bestie. So the audio is definitely out. And here we go to our last braid. Come on, last braid. Now, this is where you know you conquered the world, okay? I want to say these took me less than, while doing work, I want to say like 3 hours while doing work. So it's not bad. My mini twist took me about like 5, 6 while doing work. So if I'm going to do a go-to hairstyle, it's going to be these mini braids, y'all. Because it didn't take as long. It was less work, less stress. And my hands wasn't as tired as with the twist, which is crazy. I don't understand it. But you know what? It makes sense to me, so it is what it is. So we're going to braid this down. And let's see what it's giving, y'all. Come on. To the end we go. We off to see the wizard. It's like, nah, y'all. But y'all get the point. Braid it to the end where you want your curls to start at. Y'all see me side-eyeing that thing because I'm like, yo, it's the last braid. I'm tired. I wanted to stop so bad. And there we go. See it? Boom. And look at this. Let my little bun out. Come on, little bunnyana. Let me show y'all. Back. Front was given. Claire, my best friend, look at her, got me laughing. Let me stop. All right, now it's the next day. I do not like to go to bed with no wet hair, so that's not what it's given. So we starting this in the next day, y'all. Now we going to pin our hair up, start row by row, section by section. Okay? Now get y'all spray bottle. Spray them in. Don't nobody want no dull ends. Spray them in so you can lock in moisture. Okay? And clearly, yeah, I can't do no dry ends. So I wet mine. I'm going to comb it out. Because, again, I nobody want no knots. It's not going to give the way I want it to give. I wanted knotless, curly ends. Then I used a leave-in conditioner. Or you can use a curl cream, whatever your preference is. Okay? And then you just finger through. Look at that. Come on, curls. Look at it. Come on, girls. Same thing to the other side. Spray that water bottle. Yes, because we need to lock in moisture. And what does water do? Lock it in, y'all. It locks in the moisture. So please don't play. Comb it out. Get all them knots. Get all them kinks. Yeah. And leave-in conditioner or curl cream, whatever your preference is. Whatever you got on hand. This is what I had on hand at work. So that's what did the job. But I ain't gonna front, this little combo definitely did his ones and twos. You see you see them curls forming. Come on, baby. And now we made it to the top, and I'm just literally running everything back through. I'm running the rest of this leave-in off my hands and putting it on my hair. And I honestly don't wear my curls that much, so I'm trying to see what form of fashion my curls really go in. But we're going to figure it out one day, y'all. And then I'm adding this curl mousse, because that's really going to lock it in. That's going to seal it. That's going to do its ones and its twos, baby. Okay, y'all see it coming together? Look at them curls. Y'all can't tell me that I was not given knotless curly ends. Like, and then you mousse the front, mousse them braids so you get all your little flyaways. Because like I said, I didn't use any products on here, on my braids. And that's it. Look at that. Let me show you. Okay, and results. And this is it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
I want you to stay with me by my side. I swallow my pride. Your love is so sweet. And